What's going on, phone nerds? Ian here, back again with another unboxing. From Mega Mobile USA, of course. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active3. You can pick it up in my store, and I'm going to leave a link in the description. If you have any questions about the device, just drop a comment below. And if you'd be so kind as to like the video and subscribe to the channel, I'd appreciate it as well. A couple quick specs on this thing before I do the unboxing. This has an 8-inch screen, a 13 megapixel camera, a 5050 milliamp hour battery. It has an Exynos 9810 processor and comes in 64 gigs with 4 gigs of RAM. Now, the really cool thing about this is that not only is this a tablet, but it is a phone. That is correct. If you put your SIM card in here, it will make calls, it will receive calls, it'll do text messages. It is a full-blown cell phone. So this can be for so many different people, and at this size, it's really not that much bigger than some of the new phones. I have the new iPhone. I'll hold it up against it in a few minutes. So if you order this from me, this is exactly what you're going to get. You got the box here, and the most important thing is, you see these stickers right here? Do not accept if seal is broken, caution seal package. And it says Samsung at the bottom. These cannot be replicated. This and this one here. Some people have stickers that look like this, but they are not the same thing. They do not say Samsung. They cannot replicate this. This is a factory sealed device, and if you get a device from somebody that doesn't look like this on this particular unit, because there are some that are different, I've done this long enough to see it, it's fake. This is a real seal. This is a real Samsung seal, okay? So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna cut the seal here. On the bottom, one on the top. Put this aside. Flip it back over. And take the top off. Get an insert that says Samsung. It's quite heavy, actually. That's kind of bizarre. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this must be the outer shell. It's weird. I actually thought that it would come. I thought that the shell that's shown on the outside was actually just part of the device, because I know that all the Galaxy Active phones, those actually just have this built in. So here we go. This has a removable battery as well. This is insane. Okay, so we have the battery here, and as I said, it's a 5050 milliamp hour battery. We have this, looks like where the S Pen might go. It's kind of weird. I can't quite figure that out at the moment. And then this insert pops out, so you get the case here. It must be, I really can't figure that one out. So I will figure that out, though. That was Siri I initiated by accident. Here's the device itself. I'll put that aside for 1 second. Comes with an international charger. There is no US version of this that I know of. And this is how the chargers come overseas. There's a smaller 2-prong one that makes more sense, and this one that confuses everybody. It says push right here. You push down. I include an adapter with every single purchase. You slide it in. That's it. It's that simple. See here, this is the USB cable. This is a USB-A to USB-C, so it's a traditional style USB. Let's see here, this will insert here. Just documents, nothing of importance. Okay, so this is clearly the S Pen in here. I can tell that it's in there. I just, this is really sad. I can't figure, oh, there you go. It felt like it was like glued in there for some reason. This is a more rugged S Pen. That's very unique. It doesn't feel as high quality, but it feels more rugged, which is, I know that maybe sounds kind of weird, but it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of here real quick just to show everybody. So you got the 8-inch display. So it does have a ton of similar attributes that a Galaxy Active would. So the Galaxy Active phones always have it's more industrial feeling rubber, even more so than this, but this still has these built-in ridges. You see this right here? Built-in ridges, and it definitely has some sort of protection if you were to drop it. And then you have the back here with this little tab. If you pull off the back, this is still so funny. This is just like how it used to be when cell phones were getting popular. And then you put the battery in there. Okay. There's that. And then the case as well. which I can only assume you tuck the corners in. Yeah, it expands a little bit like this, see? And goes in. This is wild. I feel like I'm gonna break it, so I'm not gonna do that right now. I'll let somebody else do that on their own device. It's got the really cool off color, it's sort of like an orangey red power button. And then like I said, just for example, I have this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, you know, you can look. It's eerily large. And so is this. So, you can use this as a phone and it actually wouldn't be weird. You're obviously going to need to use Bluetooth or something like that. You can't just hold it up to your face. There is a headphone jack, but there's a speaker there. Okay, so you can literally hold this up to your face. This is kind of bizarre. Anyways, this is what you get when you introduce new models and try to bring back the features of a regular phone. It's almost like Samsung says, forget it, just make a giant phone and call it a tablet. And that's exactly what they did. I'm actually kind of impressed. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But as always, thank you for listening to my rant, and I appreciate your business. And this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 3 unboxing. Thanks again, guys.